This is a little bit different from the other radios I've done. This one, you can actually crank it up by hand. So if you've got no batteries or no electrics for it, you can just wind it up. And it has SOS on it, so you can use like a flashlight on it. So we're going to be having a look, see exactly what you get for your money. It's not the cheapest radio in the world, but it's not the most expensive neither. It's about £45 around that price. As always, I will stick a link in the video description in case you want to go and check it out. So we have a USB to mini USB, a wrist strap, yep, according to that. See what else you get. Oh, comes with quite a bit. Oh, look at that, baby. Instructions, as you would expect. A battery. This is like a phone battery, looking at this. Let's get her open, shall we? Come on. Look at that, look, baby. They've even tried to match the colours, didn't they? Not quite right, but yeah, pretty good. So I will have a measure up of the cable later. Wrist strap, where's that go? That must go in here somewhere. Ah, in now. So that would go in now. That'd be wrist strap. So let's have a quick look around. Oh, I didn't realise it's actually got solar power. So you can actually charge it up during the daytime. That is cool. So we have on-off, flashlight. Might need the battery in it for it to actually work. SOS and alert. Oh, very good on that bit. Aerial, not bad length. Does it rotate? No, it just goes up and down. Okay. Torch, not sure what that is. Another little light. Battery compartment, wind up crank. You need a battery in there. I've never used one of these before, so I'm looking forward to having a little play about it myself. What else? What else we got? Right, headphone socket, charging port, USB, yeah, for charging. SD card, takes an SD card, memory card, oh, different. On off and USB. So, oh, it's USB out, 5 volts. So if you've got a phone and you want to charge up your phone, say you, for instance, you're on a desert island and your phone's running out of charge, provided you've got your, your charging cable, you can charge up your phone just by winding it up. That's really good. Right, let's put the battery in. Right, I've also stuck a memory card in there because I thought I might as well put the memory card in now rather than later so we can go through it all. And I've had a little play about of it, and I've actually set up the clock without reading the instructions. They're quite nicely laid out actually, the instructions, but there is a lot of instructions because this thing has a lot of features. So let's go quickly through it, shall we? So we've got to turn her on. I probably forgot already. So turn her on, hold that in for a few seconds, easy enough, yeah? Oh, that is playing my music at the moment. Change modes. Press the mode button, it says wait. So we're now on the radio and I've already set it up for tuning. All you need to do if you want to do auto tune is press 7 or 8, hold it down for a few seconds. Let me turn that volume down a bit. Turn the volume down. So all you need to do to auto-tune the radio station, whether you're on FM, medium wave or short wave, is hold, where it says auto. Hold one of them buttons down and it will just scan through the channels. I also found that if you have the aerial out, it works a lot better. Okay, something to bear in mind. Right, I'm going to change I'm going to change the mode over now, not the mute. I'm going to change the mode over to Bluetooth. Right, I've also connected it to my phone and it was quite easy to do. I'm going to quickly show you where it is. I'll just get it up. Bluetooth. I've already said it's easy enough to do. All you need is put that up first. And it says pair new device and it's a HR11. Yeah? It was that easy. Just find the HR11 when you're pairing new device, job done. So that is connected to my phone and I'm going to give you a quick example. I'm going to go to YouTube, and I'm going to play some video from Yorkies Bits and Bobs. Let me find the other radio that I've done a review on, or one that you might want to be interested in. This one here. Do this one. Get her up. I'll wait first. Hang on a second. Right, can't hear it coming out there because it's coming out of here. I've got to turn the volume up. Fantastic tuning, or even save your favourites, because you won't be able to. This costs around about 12 to 13, maybe 14. That is coming out of there. Price. I will stick a link in the video description in case you want to go and check it out. See? And it's not actually coming out the phone. So I didn't know it could do that. But you can also, apparently, I've not tried it, but apparently you can answer phone calls and hang up phone calls. I'm not going to show you how to do it because I don't know how to do it, and this video will get too long if I go through every single feature that this little baby can actually do. Something to bear in mind, if you're going to charge it up, it says make sure you turn it off. So you turn it off there, and you also turn it off there. And the reason for that is, if you're going to manually charge it up, it will charge up faster if you turn everything off. If you leave it all on, it will take a lot longer for it to charge up. Same as if you're going to use it by, using the sun. Make sure it's turned off. It can, apparently, it can charge it up, but it will take a very long time for it to charge up. So make sure you've got it all turned off if you want to charge up the battery inside. Right, change the mode again. Right, waiting. Oops. There's another little feature I didn't know about as well. So turn it down a little bit. We'll get there. It's got an equaliser on it, and you can change it to different types. Let's see if I can get it up. So we've got repeat, equaliser. Oops, hang on, wrong mode. Escape. Click that again. Right, repeat. Now, if you want to scroll up and down, it's a 7 and 8. Equaliser, then press menu, and it goes in there. So we're on natural, then you've got pop, rock, jazz, classic, soft, and DBB, whatever that is. Press menu to select, job done. Yeah, bloody equaliser on this little thing. Yeah, so far I'm really impressed. It's really good. If you want to skip to the next song, just press that once. Skip again. These are all copyright free music. That's why I'm playing them, right? So don't get into trouble. Yeah? Want to go to radio? Press mode. Back to radio. Can you hear it breaking up?
Sometimes ends up in his mouth, but it's
bit breaking up. Pull out the aerial. It gets cues that, just like that.
His farm went bust.
So nice and clear.
His wife, she died young. That was really
Right, systems. I'm trying to think where the systems is. I think it was in here, wasn't it? Modes. Go through the modes. Or was it menu? Actually, it was menu. Right, go through menu. Right, come out now. Get out. Out. Up it. Save, delete, auto search. There's your auto search. That's another way of doing it as well. Through this, you can just either go through there when you're on radio, or go through the menu and you can do auto search. Oops, I messed it up now. That's talking to you lot. Right, auto search, ordinary band, campus radio, Japanese FM, all sorts of things on here. Yeah. Right, how did I get through? How did I get? Was it there? Oh, right. Press escape. See, I'm still learning. Okay. Press escape, and you can go through the different functions. So we have music, Bluetooth, text browser. Not sure what that does. I think it's got something to do with your phone. System settings, calendar, which I've already done. Back to radio. So I'm going to go to system settings. Press menu. I think that's how to do it. Yeah. So, like I said, I've already done the settings on the time, but you can scroll up and down. If you want to go into it, just press that. So I've done the date. It started off 2020. Sorry, 2000. Yeah, it's not 2020. So again, if you want to change the time, all you got to do, go like that, and if you keep pressing. Say you want to change it from 1913 to 1914, go to there, press up, job done, press menu, carries on, and that's done, and then escape to go back. And you can adjust the backlight, which I don't want to do. Language tools, can't remember what tools do now. Oh yes, it's got sleep time, touch tone, which is turned off at the moment, alarm, and exit. We're going to exit. What else you got? Contrast firmware. Now you can update the firmware apparently. Not that I'm going to do. Factory reset if you need to restore it to factory reset, or you know, for whatever reason. Yeah, it's got a lot of features. I'm well impressed. Oops, I lost my radio station, didn't I? Now I'm not sure because I didn't read whether you can save your radio station. I know it saves it anyway, but whether you can select numbers for it, because I didn't actually see that on there, but I think you probably can. Medium wave. Back again. Let's try and find us. Alright, if you hold the 8 button down, just scroll through, it will do a search. Find something for me, please. That's not nothing, is it? Just a bit of static. That's not music. Right, you get the idea, yeah? It works very easily, and I can't believe how easy it was to connect to my phone. Definitely gets my thumbs up. I put the memory card in, like I said, really easy to do, by the way. If you want to charge up your phone, you know, using the output on 5 volts, you have to turn that on. So put that onto on. That, again, that works extremely easy. I haven't tried it, but they do recommend make sure you turn it off when you're not using it. That's what they recommend. Mode. Get to another mode. Get to my music. I thought that's really good. For such a small thing, alright, it's not cheap. It's about £40 odd, £45, something like that. Like I said, I will stick a link in the video description in case you want to go and check it out. For what it costs, it has a lot of features on it. It is perfect for someone who's going camping or wants to spend a bit of time on a desert island or something like that. This might be perfect. I'm well impressed. Definitely gets my thumbs up. For not just for how easy it is to use and the sound quality. I thought the sound quality is pretty good. It does go a little bit on the bassy side when you go really high, but look at the size of this thing. Look, it's only that big. Yeah, can you see it all right? Yeah, definitely gets my thumbs up. I think it's well worth the money if you're looking for an all-in-one package, phone, charger, MP3 player. Oh yeah, the other thing is you can actually do recording on this. I believe you can do recording from your phone. I do believe you can do recording to voice, so you can actually talk to it. There's a microphone in there somewhere. I haven't tried it, but it says you can do it, and I have no reason to doubt it because there's a button there that says, you know, record basically. So yeah, if you want to record anything, you can record. You have to have a memory card in there for recording, right? It can't record if you don't put nothing in it. So yeah, definitely gets my thumbs up. Let me know in the comments whether it gets your thumbs up. I'm well impressed with it. Quite like the colour actually. Yeah, well worth the money. It's got loads of little features. Don't forget about the lights as well. SOS, help. Charge it up, the battery's flat and you can't plug it in nowhere. So with that, let me know in the comments whether you think it's a good little gadget. I think it's well worth the money. I know I said it a few times, and I know I got it for nothing, but I'm only telling you what I think of it, and I think it's brilliant. Also, oh, one more thing. It's got a little lock on it. I don't know what the lock does, but I think it basically you press it and it stops you any buttons working. I think that's how it works. Just try it. Yeah, so there's a little lock comes up, and yeah, basically it stops you changing anything. And try and lock it, just hold the button down again. Just thought I would mention that little baby. So with that, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. It does help the channel to keep on growing. Thanks very much for watching.